Yeah, so continuing on, we want to make sure that we do our best at continuing to serve the customers. The reality is that a paint line is one of the most important processes a customer does. If your paint line stops running, product stops coming out of your door, and that's a responsibility we take very seriously. So that's a big part of my thesis for the next generation of this company, is improving some of our service programs for the customers, making it easier to get service personnel on site. Now, we're already good at it, but I want to get better. The next key point that I really want to attack is to make sure that we're on the absolute cutting edge of efficiencies. As resources become more precious, as we become more careful of things like water, we need to make sure that we're using everything as efficiently as possible. So me and a team of engineers always have our eye out for something that we believe could actually noticeably improve our equipment. Now, we do that very carefully. You can't just go headlong into new technology without fully understanding it. So it's not something you can adopt overnight, but it's something we take very seriously as being the thought leaders of our industry, long term.